Hello there. Today we are excited to introduce RILICO PP plastic plywood and its seamless integration with the aluminum formwork system, AFS. The AFS is revolutionizing construction by shortening formwork time due to its quick mount-dismount method compared to conventional systems. This significantly increases formwork efficiency and project turnaround, making it a preferred choice for modern construction companies. Currently, there are two types of AFS, all aluminum frame and plates, and aluminum frame with film face plywood. Type 1, the all aluminum frame, can be reused multiple times but requires precise structure beam alignment. Any misalignment can cause system failure, making it less flexible for various construction needs. Type 2, the aluminum frame with plywood, allows some margin for error in beam alignment. However, it requires high-quality film face plywood to ensure consistent performance and cost-effectiveness. This is where RILICO PP plastic plywood comes into play. Our patented plastic surface provides exceptional durability, and our high-quality hardwood core offers superior strength. Using phenolic glue minimizes expansion and ensures waterproofing, allowing the AFS to be used up to 100 times without compromising on performance. Moreover, RILICO PP plastic plywood offers several advantages over traditional aluminum plates. Its superior temperature retention in sub-zero weather ensures that the concrete solidifies more naturally, resulting in increased concrete strength and overall structural integrity. This is especially beneficial for projects in colder climates. RILICO PP plastic plywood also boasts high resistance to wear, acid, and alkaline, making it an ideal choice for harsh environments. Its smooth surface ensures easy dismounting and a flawless finish on concrete surfaces, thereby enhancing the quality and appearance of the final construction. We have collected extensive data from actual construction sites, proving the advantages and reliability of our product. Our commitment to quality and innovation has made us a trusted name in the industry. With over 44 years of excellence, RILICO, the inventor of PP plastic plywood and Formwork Systems, stands as a pioneer in the plywood industry. Trusted in 54 countries by over 240 customers and counting, RILICO delivers unmatched product quality, service integrity, and environmental sustainability. Experience the RILICO difference in every project. RILICO, your trusted global plywood supplier and manufacturer. Contact us today.